Okay, it is story time while I do a little upcycle on a drawstring bag that I made for my sister. I believe I made this bag back in 2018. If I remember correctly, I was living in New York City, and everybody in my family, my mother, father, and sister, all got some type of denim upcycling treat that year. Yeah, we were broke in the city. Anyways, my sister recently asked me if I could maybe just zhuzh up the bag a little bit, get rid of all these scraggly denim parts. So that's what we're gonna do. You'll see me here with my seam ripper, just going at those seams, taking this whole baby apart. Getting that good upcycling meditation going on. As you can see there, I've got a pile of scraps, and I am still just going at it bit by bit, working my way one stitch at a time. Of course, we're skipping over stitches here and there. We're not trying to hit every single one. We just get a few and then keep on moving along and open it up and get a few more and bing bang boom. Before you know it, we got them all. Now, of course, I had to clean up these edges, so took them over to the overlock, good old serger, and got some beautiful contrasting thread on that. And those edges clean. Look at that, they are all stitched together. We are pressing it out, getting it nice and as smooth as we can. Look at those. There you go, Shauna. There is some clean edges. That's what it looks like on the front. Getting that pocket placement there. Oh, tease me. Okay, there we got it all together. I decided to use a mesh for the base. There is the bag with that front pocket on and that tag. Yeah. So cute. Look at that. Big enough pocket you can throw some scissors in there. That's right. Okay, and I had to spice it up just a little bit. So I've got the SpongeBob Party. I'm just giving you a few shots. I got this down in Tucson back in the day. I think some fabric store was closing. Oh yes, SAS Fabrics. And I couldn't say no to some SpongeBob lining. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna line the interior of the bag on that bottom with the mesh. It is a little bit rough, so we wanna create a nice little enclosure for that so we're not poking around when you reach in the bag. So you can see here I stitched over that, did a little hand stitching around the edges to just secure that and make sure we're all enclosed over. Now we're back to the outside. It is time to put in the new drawstring. Drawstring, what an interesting word. So here I got my old band. I was able to clean that up, press it out, and we are gonna add that teal and purple fringe to part of the strap, just to give it a little bit of that flair, because why not? There we go. Oh, come on, bag. We got the mesh on the bottom, scratchy, scratchy. Looking good. We've got the pull string. There we go, with that fringe. Let's get it. Oh, country. And there we go. That drawstring is working. We got it all nice and tight. Front pocket is still pocketing. Look at that. Gorgeous. And we're ready to go. Hope you enjoy it, Shauna. Love ya. Okay, and there you can see me. Peace. Giving you a little side-by-side comparison. There you see my hands in the bag. Opening the bag up. What's in the bag? Nothing's in the bag yet. But, yeah, there you go. Open it up. Good size. You could fit a few books in there. And, that mesh bottom will let anything just slip at the bottom. Maybe take it to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Bye. Thanks for watching.